everybody. Welcome to today's lesson. Thank you so much for joining me today. Let's take a look at today's lesson objective. So today we will solve two-step word problems involving multiplying a single-digit factor by multiples of 10 and two-digit factors. All right, let's take a look at today's lesson. So our word problem for today says that Genevieve makes 43 bracelets. She gives 13 bracelets away as gifts and sells the rest for $4 each. How much money does Genevieve make in all? Okay, so the first thing we're going to go ahead and figure out is, what do we know? So we know that Genevieve makes 43 bracelets. And we also know that she gives 13 bracelets away. She gives them away as gifts. And then she takes the rest of whatever's left over and she sells them for $4 each. So this is the information that we know. Now we need to figure out what we need to know. What is our question? I'm going to underline this in blue. So we need to know, how much money does Genevieve make in all? Okay, so we have to figure out how much she's making. So how much does she sell her, how much does she get from selling her bracelets? So let's go ahead and start with all of our steps. So let's start with step one. So step one is, we know that she had 43 bracelets, but she gives away 13 bracelets. So those 13 bracelets she's not selling. So we know that she has 43 bracelets and she gives away 13 bracelets. So she is going to take away those 13 bracelets. We're going to minus or subtract 13 bracelets from 33 or from 43. So if I do that, let me go ahead and rewrite this in standard algorithm form. So if I have 43 and I take away 13, that is going to give me, so I have 0 ones left. 4, take away 1, 10 is going to give me 3. So I have 30 bracelets left over. So Genevieve has 30 bracelets. I put down B for bracelets. Okay, so now we have 30 bracelets that we can work with. Now let's go ahead and go on to step 2. Now we want to answer, how much money does Genevieve make in all? So we know that she sells each of her bracelets for $4 each, right? So we have $4 each bracelet, right? And we have 30 bracelets that we're going to sell. So we have $4 each. We're going to sell 30 bracelets. So now I have 4 times 30, because I have $4 that I'm selling each of my 30 bracelets. So if I do 4 times 30, I know that 30 plus 30, that 4 times 30 is going to be the same as doing 30 plus 30 plus 30 plus 30, which is going to give me 60. 30 plus 30 is 60. So that's going to give me 60 plus 60. And then if I add 60 plus 60, that's going to give me 120. So she's going to make $120 in all. Another way that I can solve this is, I know that 4 times 3 tens is going to give me 12 tens. I'm going to put down T for tens, which is equal to $120. So now if we were to answer this question, Genevieve, I'm going to answer this in blue. Genevieve made, I'm going to put down G for Genevieve, made $120. All right, and that answers our question of, how much money does Genevieve make in all? Okay, let's review our lesson objective. So today we solved two-step word problems involving multiplying single-digit factors by multiples of 10 and two-digit factors. All right. Thank y'all so much for joining me today. It was so fun going over going over this word problem with you. I hope you had as much fun as I did, and I'll see you next time. Bye, everyone. Have a great day.